It's a complete rout of the Congress from 4 states, but something which will hurt as much is the rout of Sheila Dikshit, ending her 15-year reign. It's curtain call for Congress matriarch. Remember the slogan that helped Sheila Dikshit win. Dekhi sabki leela, sabse achhi Sheila. Delhi had demonstrated that it does not believe in that anymore. It's a big lesson for the Indian polity. A young politician in the party which is just 1 year old, Arvind Kejriwal, changed the dynamics for everyone, forcing seniors like Sheila and Sonia to watch him seriously, take him seriously. They dare not dismiss him anymore. Sheila had laughed off the challenge, but when the results came out, it was Kejriwal who had the last laugh.
ये जो प्यारी बहनें जा रही हैं ना, मैं आपसे कहती हूँ 10 मिनट और रुक जाओ, राहुल जी की आवाज तो सुन के जाओ.
Delhi was in no mood to lend an ear to its chief minister. Neither were the gods who she beseeched as counting commenced. While Delhi did not vote for a clear winner, the electorate gave a clear thumbs down to the loser. Sheila was forced to reset her political tune.
इस भागदौड़ में अगर जो सबसे आगे पार्टी है तो वो कांग्रेस पार्टी है. इन लोगों को 15 बरस दिल्ली के आवाम ने, दिल्ली की जनता ने बाहर रखा है सत्ता से, और मुझे यकीन है कि अब भी यही करेंगे. The people of Delhi have taken a decision which we respect, and we also thank all the people of Delhi for having supported the Congress government for the last 15 years. That's all I can say just now. What has to be analyzed will be done later. What went wrong, what didn't go wrong. But all that I can say is thank you very much. And I'd like to thank the media also for all the support. बेवकूफ है ना?
Are you disappointed? On 3rd December 1998, Sheila Dikshit took over the reins of Delhi. 15 years on, from a leading lady, she has fallen with an almighty thud to the 3rd position. As Sheila Dikshit looks all set to fade into political shadows, she and her party chief, who had pinned hopes on her, will have to carefully examine the reasons for this rout.
Even in Delhi, even though we have been in government for 3 terms, I do believe that a great deal of work was done. But obviously the results tell us something else.
It took a broom to change Delhi's colours. A broom that had no existence 5 years ago. A broom that forced the BJP to change its CM candidate. A broom that swept out a 3-time incumbent chief minister.
The usually accessible Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit perhaps had an inkling to that even before the actual countdown to her dethroning started. She shut herself up inside her 3 Motilal Nehru Marg residence much before counting began. The eerie silence that descended upon her residence and that outside Congress office perhaps sums it all up. It's a capital disgrace for the Congress. With camera person Sanjeev Kumar, this is Maha Siddiqui in Delhi for Headlines Today.
And the man who will go down in political history of causing one of the biggest upsets in Delhi is Arvind Kejriwal. And what you're witnessing right now are visuals of elation, of celebration, which are being recorded, which we are beaming to our viewers live. These visuals come right outside the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. You can see the sense of elation, celebration in the cadre of the Aam Aadmi Party. Arvind Kejriwal, about 2 hours after being declared of routing Sheila Dikshit from her seat, came out and addressed a press conference where he gave credit to the cadre of Aam Aadmi Party and the people of Delhi for the victory and the phenomenal showing of the party.
कृपया की सफाई कर दें।
All right, we're going to go to our guests after this quick break, but we leave you with these celebratory visuals outside the Aam Aadmi Party. We are going to be back in just 2 minutes with news and updates on what is being viewed as one of the biggest upsets in recent political times.